Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Now, C name means constructor injection. It will perform our IOC container with this attribute. Our IOC container will perform what? Constructor injection. Now, second one is what? Now, C name means constructor. We are injecting only one data using constructor, right? Now, this is what? Property, right? Property tag, right? So, what we will do now? So, come here, come again. What? Property means P colon, which one? P colon, we will take what? P colon, port number we have need, right? We have need P colon port name, port with that attribute. My system got 1 minute. My system is not giving the response. Yeah. Port number, right? 8080. Now another one more property is there, but that is what? Reference, right? This, that is called what? Reference object. So what we will do now? Now we will take what? P colon what? That is the P colon what? Adapter hyphen ref means that name. That name we will take what? Adapter. This name we will take, and after then what is that? Colon. Now hyphen ref means reference, equal to, in that what we will do now? We will pass what? The what is network adapter id, we will pass it here, right? So like this we are performing what? Using P name and C name. And think about that. See how much means whatever the like, to performing constructor injection, constructor asks, after then we are taking name, after then we are taking what? Value. And for performing property means setter injection, we are taking what? P for property, after then value, after then name. Three tag we are taking in the beans, right? But in the bean tag only, what is that? C name and P name. We taken what? C name and P name tag, and we perform. Now come to here and run this application, and you will see the result also here. Again you will see the result. Now I'm cleaning this one. Now what we are doing, that we already developed in the previous application. Now let's see that, run this application. See the still we are getting the output or not? See, IP address this one, port number 8080, adapter this one. Actually this is the fully qualified package name is with hash code is coming, that because we are returning directly object only na. Because of that, don't bother about now. Okay, I will explain in the next level discussion that one. So if you don't, just 8080, right? Make this one port number as 9090. You will see it's working properly. Still it's working properly only. Come here. Now again run. See, 9090 port number is changed or not? So like that, this is what? This is only P name space and a C name space, to reducing the tags, to reducing the tags in what? Beans, right? To reducing the tags in bean. For that we are using what? P name space and a C name space. Okay, so let's try to understand what? Circular dependency. What is a circular dependency problem, right? So we understand what? Constructor injection, setter injection, but still in interviewer, right? Interviewer will much bother about what? Interviewer will much bother about what? Setter injection and constructor injection, right? Circular dependency problem. What is the circular dependency problem, right? Interviewer will ask. Okay. just maintaining the project only, Pankaj. Even our project is moving on what? Our projects, whatever project is there, right? Those project is going to Spring Boot only, Spring Boot and microservices. So, but why I explain, still interviewer, some interviewer is asking that, right? What is the P namespace, what is the C namespace? Because of that I explain. Otherwise, there is no use of in the even legacy project also gone, right? Nowadays everything is moving on what? Moving on what? Spring Boot and microservices, which is our annotation driven programming, right? Next level our see, today I will complete all XML configuration related things, and tomorrow onward I will start what? Spring Boot, Spring annotation based application. These things I will implement what? In Spring only, Spring annotation based, right? And those things is useful for us, and in the project also, because in my whole experience, whatever experience is there, in my experience I never touch any company project using what? Spring configuration, using what? XML. But XML configuration, if you have need, if you know that, right, then you will catch up the things very easily. Because see, whenever you will start to change the company, right, at the time it will need. But for the working purpose there is no need this configuration, XML configuration, in my point of view. So okay, so now let's understand what circular dependency, and which kind of situation we will get what circular dependency, right? So circular dependency is useful for, see, circular dependency problem is useful for our what? Spring Boot also, and microservices also. And you please listen carefully, and I will show what as programmatically also, right? Circular dependency. Circular dependency, right? So this is the problem, right? What is the problem means? Circular dependency means what? Circular dependency means what? Like for example, we have one class, right? We have one class like public class, just I'm taking demo, class name demo, demo 1, right? Demo 1, I'm taking one demo class, right? Inside that I'm taking what? Private demo 2, another demo 2, demo 2, like I will take one reference, right? And if we take one using what reference, so what we will do now? They are doing too much noises. Now what we will do now? If we take public, right? If we public what? Demo class, right? I'm injecting the this demo to data using what? Constructor injection, right? Demo 1, inside that what I'm taking? Demo 2, demo 2, right? Now this dot demo 2 equal to demo 2, right? This is what? This is our we are injecting this demo. But in the same situation, what we will do now? Another class means demo 2. In the demo 1 we are injecting the demo 2 data, right? Again one more dependency, another dependency is there, another like public class demo 2. This one is the demo 2 class, right? In this demo 2 class, what we will do now? Demo Private demo, we will take the attribute demo 1. Here we will take what? Demo 1, right? Demo 1. After then what we are doing, that we are injecting this demo 1 using what? This constructor demo 2, right? Demo 2, inside that what we are doing, that we are taking this sorry demo 1, demo 1, right? Demo 1, this dot, inside that what we are doing, that this dot what, demo 1 equal to demo 1, right? Means what's happening here, guys? What's happening? This demo object is calling this demo, and this demo is calling this demo. Means this thing is called, means this object is there, this object is there, right? This object is there, object is one, right? Demo 1, and this one another object is there, this object is another object is there, in this object is another object is there, right? This one is the two second object. In this situation, what's happening? Using constructor, we are calling this object, right? We are calling this object. After then what's happening here? Now again this object is calling what? This object is calling what? This object, right? Object is calling what? This object. Means, but but instantiation, what we are doing, the constructor, means at the time of creation the object, means something whatever things is doing, means at the same time what's happening, if we use the constructor injection, right? Here our IOC container will create both object at the same time. If our IOC container, then it will not get, our IOC container will not get the time to inject both object, right? So in that what will happen? Clash will happen means the injection. So then what we will get? Circular dependency injection problem we will get. If we inject the data using constructor, right? If we inject the data using what? Constructor, then the problem we will get, means circular dependency problem we will get, right? Now but in the same case, right? But the means the same case means creation object creation is happening, creation demo object is injecting, right? Both object is injecting at the same time. Then means our IOC container, some this one like this happening, right? So because of that we are getting the problem, right? We will get the problem. So our IOC container will intimate us, right? I'm not able to inject the data because of the circular dependency problem is there. So but this problem we can resolve it using what? Constructor injection, sorry, setter injection. If we take one class as a setter, if we means if we take what? If we take this class, it means in the both class, any one class, if we inject the data using setter injection, then we will not get the issue, right? Then we will not get the issue. And even if we set the data using what? Setter injection, then again still we will not get the problem, right? Means if here we are taking the setter injection, right? If we take the setter injection, then we will not get the problem. Here in one class setter injection, one class what? Constructor injection, then that is also fine. If both classes having setter injection, right, then that is also fine. But if in the both class dependency is there between what? Setter injection, then we will get what? Circular dependency problem. So now let's test it, right? Let's create a small application like this, and we will see that problem, right? And how we will resolve it, and we will see that those things as what? Practically only, right? We will see those things as what? Practically only. So now, what we will do now? Let's go inside what? Project. And what we will do now? Already I created the project, right? So again, okay, let's create the project only now. Every project we will develop as a scratch level only. So now what we will do now? New what? Others, go inside that, and mm, now Maven project. So let's search the Maven project. Now next, now finish. Now next it, select quick archive. Next, now here circular. Circuler. Okay. Now 1.0. Now finish. Yeah, this project is created. Now what we will do now, we will go inside that form.xml. After then what we will do now, we will copy this tag to change what Java compiler version. We will paste inside that property tag. After then we have need what a Spring context. Spring Maven context. Now copy it. Now paste here. Suraj, I uploaded those things, the video, right? I can't explain again theory concept of IOC container, and that is the first session only. I uploaded on what YouTube. You can see there, right? You can see there. Yeah. Now let's create one what one two classes. Now take in the single package only, right? In the side, let's see. Now demo one. Just I'm taking what demo one one class, and another class I will take what 1 minute. Now what is that? We will take new and class. Inside that what, here I will take what com dot rk dot circular, right? Now demo class name demo, demo one I'm taking, right? One class I took inside this package. Again one more class I will take, right? One more demo 2, I will take one more class demo 2. Demo 2, I took two classes, right? This is the very important question in the interview, guys. Okay, so now, so what I will do now, I will take this demo 2 reference inside what demo 1. So what I will do now, private what private demo demo 2 equal to demo, right? Equal to demo. So what I will do now, I will inject this one, right? I will inject what. Oh, sorry, right? So I will inject using constructor, right? I will show that problem. Now I'm injecting this one using what constructor only, right? So after constructor, if we want to inject, now same things what I will do now, here also I will take the demo one attribute, right? Dependency inside this one, demo one dependency, right? Demo one dependency means demo1, demo one. Now this one also what I will do now, I will inject using what constructor only. I will inject what constructor only. So in this case we will get what circular dependency problem, because at the same time our IOC container what will create the object, and we will inject the object, right? Then the problem will happen, right? Then problem will happen. Now second one what we will do now, we will go inside what src main, we will create one folder. resources. Now refresh this project. Maven. Yes. So what we will do now, we will create the XML configuration file, right? So now class, sorry, my mistake. Right click, new, and after then others, select the bean, right? Is Spring Bean configuration file. Now next it spring.xml. Now next it, now select first one, and here first one. Now next finish. So what we will do now, how we will configure, using constructor injection, right? Constructor injection like bean, first bean, we will take bean tag. Inside that bean tag, what is that? ID attribute is there. Inside that ID attribute, what we will to take? Demo1, right? Demo1 with second one is what? Class, right? Class. Now demo1 with fully qualified name. Okay, inside that, if we want to inject what, using constructor, how we are using that? So which tag we will take it? Constructor tag, right? Constructor args, right? Constructor args. Now name is what? Name is what? Constructor args name is what? Demo, just here we will take demo2. Now one minute. Yes, yes, fine. Now here what we will do now? This property, right? This property, what the property is there? Demo2 property is there. Now that property we will pass it. After then what we will do now? This is the reference type, right? So what we will take here? Ref tag we have need, right? Ref tag. So after then another one more bean is there, right? One more bean. So I said that another demo2, demo1 we configured here, right? So demo2 also we will configure. So what we will do now? Beans, another tag we will take. Inside that, what we will to take? ID equal to, inside that ID, what is that? Demo2. Just I'm taking what? Demo2. And another one is what? Class. Another one is what? Class what? Demo2 class with fully packaged, right? So after then another one is what? So what we will do now, here in the ref we will pass this ID, right? We will pass this ID here. After then what we will do now? Again we will take what? Constructor, because we are going to perform constructor injection problem. We are going to see that, right? So now again name, right? In the name, what we will pass it? We will go inside the demo2 class. What is that? Demo1 property is there, right? So we will pass it. After passing that, what we will do now? After passing that, what we will do now? We will take again ref tag, right? Because this bean is depend on this one. So what we will do now? We will pass demo1 ID here. After passing that, right? Let's test it. Let's test it, right? Let's test it. Where we will test? Inside this one, right? So now right click on that package. Now create this one. Now com dot test. Now test main method, right? Main method. Now click on that. So now see that. Now what is that? Application context AC equal to new class path XML application, right? So inside that, what is that? We will pass spring dot xml, right? Spring dot xml. After passing that spring dot xml, what we will do now? AC dot what? Get bean. Inside that any tag, because both are the depending on the each other, right? if we pass any, right, like if we want to take demo one, right, demo one, demo one tag, right, what is that, demo one, I'm taking what, demo one only, right, demo one, if we take demo one, after then what, just demo one dot class, right, it will return what, it will return what, demo one only. Just run it and we will see that what, we will see that the, it will like IOC container directly will see that, so that, right, see we got the error or not, we got the error, right, what is the error, see that demo one required bin is a currently in a creation, right, in a creation means both are the unresolved circular, see circular reference, circular reference, see the problem, right, this is called what, circular dependency problem, right, circular. So here cannot resolve references to bean demo one while setting the constructor, right, it's saying that if you set the using what, setter constructor argument nested, it means we will get what, circular creation, circular dependency problem, right, means here see circular reference problem, right, circular reference problem. So how we can resolve it, how we can resolve it, this circular problem, so we can resolve it like this also, right, if we inject in the any, if both dependency is there, right, in the any dependency, if we take what, like setter, if we set like set, just I'm using what, using setter injection, right, I will, yes dot r, now what I'm setter, just I took setter injection, right, if I took setter injection, then what modification we have need, we have need here we one need is there, right, which one, setter, right, set, yeah, in the demo one I took what, setter, in the demo one, so what we will do now, instead of what, constructor, we will take what, setter, means property tag, inside that property tag what we will do now, we will take what, demo one reference from here, right, from here demo two reference is there, right, demo two reference we will pass it here, after then what is that, ref, we will take ref tag, in the ref tag this one we will pass it, right, after passing that let's run the same application and we will see that the problem is not, see terminated, our console is terminated, right, here terminated, and on the console there is no is what, there is no what, error is there, error is there, if you want to see that some execution means setter, just write here system dot out dot println, right, demo one, demo one, this one demo one, and this one is what, demo 2, right, now if you want to see that something, uh, what is this, oh, you know, in the constructor first statement must be, but here what I did, see, come here, first statement should be this, right, in the constructor always, because of that we are getting the problem. Okay, in the method there is no problem in that, but in the constructor should be first statement super only, super at this, okay, so now let's run it, see we got the result or not, demo 2 and demo 1, right, demo 2 and demo 1, so we can resolve, and even if we take in the demo 2 also setter in setter, right, then still also we can resolve it, right, then still we can resolve it, so this is the circular circular dependency problem, and how we can resolve it, we seen that, right? So some another problem is there, like, right? So what is that now? If some another concept, let's under try to understand the things, right? After then we will see what bean life cycle, right? Bean life cycle. So bean life cycle, our next level discussion is there. So now let's understand what is that. I still some more discussion means, if we want to develop what mutable or immutable classes, right? Immutable and mutable classes. So uh, using constructor, right? Using constructor, um, what is that? Someone. Hmm. But some people is saying constructor is good. What setter is good? My voice is breaking. My voice is breaking, guys. Please let me know that.
Yes, Ravi, little bit breaking.
Now fine.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Now fine, right? Uh, Guys, you people have need some break, or shall we continue only? If you need, right? If you need a break, let's take a 10 to 15 minute, 10 to 15-minute break, because I want to complete today, bean life cycle, spring life cycle, and all those things. Okay, na? So tomorrow onward, we will start annotation driven application and Spring Boot. If you need 10 to 15-minute break, right? So Shamar. What about 10-minute break, Suraj? Padma. Okay. Okay, guys, let's take 10 minute. 10 minute means 3:15 is there, na? 4:10 we will, 4 we rejoin. Yeah. No, 4:10 we will rejoin. Okay, na? 4:10 we will rejoin, and you guys also take the tea and all those things. 4:15 I will, and next level, right, guys? Why I made these things like this? Because our next level discussion based on these things only. Okay, na? Because of that I'm stressing you people. I'm not wasting your time also, and I'm not wasting my time also to what explaining a story between what sessions. So please, okay, let's come back 4:10. Okay, na? 4:10 we will come back. Okay, let's take the break and we will come back. Okay, na? Okay, guys. Okay.
Ravi, setter injection is good or construction? Which one is good?
Setter, no, based on the requirement, Padma, we are using that setter injection also. It's not, we can say setter injection is good, or getter injection is good, right? I will tell in the next level discussion, right? Some discussion is still pending. Based on those discussion, I will explain it. Okay, na? Don't worry about that.
Okay, okay,
I will
okay.
I will touch I will touch each and everything. Okay, na? Don't worry. Okay, let's stop the session. We will meet 4:10, right?